All right, and on today we will be looking at Paxton's Blizzard Blunder. All right, so this one is Paxton gets covered in snow. It's Paxton, and look, yeah, he's covered in snow. Look at that. Looks like he's got a orange snowplow or something in front of him. I don't know what that is, but you got a collectible. It says collectible Paxton, whatever that means. Maybe it's some special kind of Paxton that comes. I don't know. But anyway, so this is a Spills and Thrills taking play, brand new. Paxton's Blizzard Blunder, inspired by the Spills and Thrills DVD. Paxton runs his plow through the snowy mountains and has a thrilling spill of his own. Paxton safely proceeds on his way covered in snow. All right, so there you have it. And look, the tracks. Let's see what color these tracks are. Are they snow-covered tracks? It looks like they are snow-covered tracks. Look at that. Look at that. Is this a first for taking play? I don't know. Let me know. But look at that. And then you have a nice, look at the artwork and detail on it. That's pretty good. Yeah, you got an icy house with a blizzard sign. Look at that. We got a snowy little hilly piece. All right. And there's the little notch where you put the snow that he has to run into. So let's put this together real quick. We just snap this piece in place. And this part goes here, right? Snaps on the back to there. All right, now I'm connecting this to the original Spills and Thrills little set that they have that offered a nice little spill and thrill adventure. But unfortunately, they didn't think it through to the point where you should just be able to replace whatever accessory pack that you get with the bottom part of this track. That would have been a little bit hipper, don't you guys think? Well, that's just me. But anyway, let's go ahead and see how this works, all right? Let's get out Mr. Paxton. Let's see. All right. So there he is. I'm Paxton. There he is. Yep. Mr. Paxton. And here is the snow. So now we're going to take the snow and put it right there. And it blends in pretty good. Look. You don't even, back here, you can't even tell it's like a setup. There we go. All right. So let's take this down here. Look at the snow tracks we got here, right? Maybe a blizzard is coming, okay? So then here's Mr. Paxton, and Mr. Paxton runs over there and knocks down the sign and gets covered in snow. How about that? Look at that. Paxton. All right, let's try that one again. All right, we're gonna set it up again. There she goes. Right there. Put our sign back in. Look at that snow. Snowy mountains and ice. All right, here it comes. And he gets covered in snow again. Look at that. Spills and Thrills. So that's pretty cool. All right. So there you have it. You have Mr. Paxton. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.